Hello and welcome to Rob's Kitchen. I got something very exciting we're cooking up today. And without further ado, let's see what we got in the box. So, it arrived from Amazon like this. I'm actually not incredibly sure how else you could purchase a Jackery battery. I'm sure lots of retailers sell them. But this one's from Amazon. It comes with a cute little orange sticker.
Keep the original packaging and accessories for return.
Something like that. Let's see how I get this out of here. Okay, since I will be using the official occupational health and safety lifting techniques to do this, there are two handles in here to lift it out. It's relatively heavy, and you shouldn't be lifting like above your shoulders from this position, so I'm just gonna set it down and pick it out, okay? Excuse me. Bada bing! Look at that. Jackery solar generator. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a long, long time. I got scissors, but there's a little pull tab. Now, if you've opened anything from Amazon in the past, not Jackery, but Amazon, your little Amazon packages, well, they don't always work. Let's find out. Smooth. Doing this all backwards so that you can see. I feel like a kid at Christmas. I don't know why a battery is so exciting to me. I guess it's freedom, you know? You can have a battery and now I can plug in a PA system or an amplifier and play anywhere I want with like real pure sine wave, like house style power, which is very exciting. I also use a CPAP machine. So if I'm camping, I need my breathing machine for sleeping, and freedom in a portable battery, which is an amazing feeling. Ooh, what have we got? It's so cute. It looks like something from a Pixar film. I'm assuming this is the charging cable. Comes with little Velcro wrap. Protected, brand new fresh plug-ins. It's really cute. It's like a little friendly snake from a DreamWorks picture. All right, this can go over here. We have the Jackery Explorer 1000 user manual. I should say the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 user manual. Who needs a manual? All right. Nice and protected. Oh. It looks pretty good. Can you see in there? All sorts of warnings we'll never read, and a handle, which is a new feature on the V2. The Explorer 1000 V2 to pull it out. Again, it's not that heavy, but I'm just being really careful with my back. And you know, promoting health and safety, bending my knees, lifting thusly, trying to keep it at waist level. Okay, we're gonna take one more look in the box before we get to the exciting stuff. Can you see this one on camera? I should do the reveal. Okay, there might be more stuff in the box. Let's find out. More super protection. And the big orange bottom. There's nothing else in the box. What have we got? Well, first impressions, it's very pretty as far as batteries go. We've got the DC out, we've got the AC out, power on, power off. We've got the built-in light, which always comes in handy if you're in the middle of nowhere. I did spend a lot of time camping off-grid, and I was using a Motomaster, like a car starter battery for a long time to run a CPAP machine, and then charging that off of my car DC when I couldn't get to an actual wall plug-in. It was miserable. They don't last very long. It's like a real car battery. It's not a lithium ion battery like this, which packs a much more strong punch. So I'm very much looking forward to this guy. What have we got here? So it's got a DC input for charging. So I'm imagining I'm going to be able to figure out another way to use like a 12 volt car adapter to be able to charge this thing. That'll be good. And then of course we have the DreamWorks friendly snake that goes into the AC input, which will be wonderful. But all in all, it's a battery. We understand what a battery does. We have our 3 pure sine wave plugins. I love that it says pure sine wave right on it. 1500 watts, I think, peak power. And we should have just over 1,000 amp hours, or watt hours, amp hour? Tell me in the comments. So I'm definitely looking forward to running this thing. That looks like a DC out. So that would be my CPAP DC out adapter to run a CPAP machine in the car. I am very much looking forward to using this. I'm very happy to have received it. Jackery Explorer 1000 unboxing, mission accomplished. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Leave me a bunch of comments in the comments. My name is Rob Fillo, R-O-B-F-I-L-L-O. It's about 50 degrees in my apartment. It's good camping weather. Take good care of yourselves. Bye for now.